Hello. Welcome to the 5 Best Review. Here we bring the best brands for you after research so that you can make a smart purchasing decision. Today we presents the 5 best propane fire pit to buy in 2021. Before diving into today's product list, don't forget to hit the subscription button to stay updated. If you want to check further, links have been added in the description box. Let's get started. On top of our list, in first place we have the Endless Summer Propane Gas Fire Pit. For an attractive fire pit that produces enough warmth to keep everyone toasty even after the sun dips below the horizon, check out the Endless Summer 30-inch outdoor propane gas fire pit. This square table style model produces a hearty 50,000 ds of heat, and it runs on a 20-pound propane tank that tucks neatly out of sight in the sleek steel cabinet beneath the fire bowl. Flames dance among 12 pounds of fire glass that fill the fire bowl and produce a shimmering flame effect. The Endless Summer Fire Pit also comes with an automatic igniter for quick fire-ups that is equipped with a safety valve and a steel insert to cover the fire bowl when not in use. The unit weighs 80 pounds, measures 30 inches by 30 inches square, and stands 25 inches high. Features: square black steel fire bowl, safety valve and piezo ignition for easy start, sleek steel side panels to conceal propane tank. Moving to the next one of the list. In the second position we have the Peak Top Propane Gas Fire Pit. You can enjoy the flickering flames of your own backyard fire pit and still stay within your budget with the Peak Top Propane Fire Pit. It features a natural stonework design that adds campfire appeal while producing 40,000 BTUs of radiant warmth and reflective flames. The fire pit comes with lava rocks to create natural-looking flames, a stainless steel fire bowl, and a 10-foot connection hose and tank seat so you can tuck a propane tank out of sight. It also includes a cover for when not in use. The round fire pit measures 28 inches in diameter, stands 9 inches high, and weighs about 48 pounds. The fire pit stones are made from flame-retardant magnesium oxide to give them a realistic stone look, and the fire pit comes with an electric igniter for easy fire-ups. Features: stylish design, adjustable flames, lava rock and PVC cover. Coming up next. In third place we have the Legacy Heating Propane Fire Pit. Measuring a full long, the Legacy Heating Propane Fire Pit table does double duty. As a full-size coffee table, it can hold drinks and plates, while its oblong center fire pit sets a relaxing mood with dancing flames. The Legacy Heating Fire Pit produces 48,000 BTUs of heat and comes in your choice of color, espresso brown or slate gray. The fire pit is constructed from high-quality aluminum covered on the sides by durable polyethylene wicker. It weighs 58 pounds, measures 28 inches in width, and tops out at high. It comes with a push-button igniter, and a tempered glass insert is available for covering the fire bowl when not in use. Features: safe and needle approved, dual function, unique design. Now moving to the number 4. Outland Fire Bowl Portable Propane Gas Fire Pit. Bring out the fire pit and pull up a chair with the compact and portable Outland Fire Bowl Premium Outdoor Gas Fire Pit. This smaller unit is great for people with tiny yards and patios or adventurers who want to keep warm at night. The Outland Fire Bowl produces a whopping 58,000 BTUs of heat, measures 19 inches in diameter, and stands just 11 inches high, so it's simple to stow in a garage, utility room, or closet when not in use. It comes with 4 pounds of lava rocks and features high-quality steel construction and a push-button igniter. A 10-foot connector hose allows you to position a 20-pound propane tank out of sight. The Outland Fire Pit also comes with a steel cover and carrying kit for easy transport. Features: perfect no-mess campfire, compact and easy to transport, signature Outland living quality. In the fifth position we have the Bond Manufacturing Propane Fire Pit. For couples and small groups who want the ambience of an open flame plus 40,000 BTUs of heat, the Bond Manufacturing Newcastle Propane Fire Bowl fits nicely on a deck or in the landscape. Measuring under 20 inches square and more than 29 inches high, this mini fire pit weighs only 20 pounds. The stainless steel fire burner produces a flame high enough for roasting marshmallows or just adding a warm fire element to gatherings and the landscape. The fire bowl comes with rocks for a natural look, and the propane tank hides conveniently inside the Envirostone covered base. Envirostone blends crushed stone with plant-based glue. Features: natural lava rock included to cover the stainless steel burner. Protective cover included to preserve the fire pit's integrity. Constructed of durable and lightweight Envirostone for outdoor use. Thanks for being with the 5 Best review throughout this video. We hope that you have already made up your mind for the right best propane fire pit. Do comment if you have any query, and don't forget to share it with a friend. See you guys in the next video.